Out here with the SJRC F11. We are going to check it out and see if we can get some of this video to work before I do anything else with this thing. Let's get the video and see what the video looks like. Now I guess it has GPS. I don't see any. I guess its satellite strength is good, but it doesn't tell you how many satellites that there is. Okay, let me check out some punch out speed here. Okay, I got it in this real slow mode now. So I want to try to keep it still to see what the video looks like. I guess we got a lot of satellites because the bar is all the way up, but it doesn't tell you how many. Not that I see. Okay, it does have the telemetry. The telemetry is working. Okay, so it's sitting up there at, it's just 17 meters, that's all. There's a bunch of kids and everything over there, so I'm not going all the way over there. I basically just want to see what the video looks like, because they're closing the park pretty soon around here. They close everything at dark. The video on the screen looks clear. Now what it looks like up there, you know, on the camera and on the video card, you know, that could be another story. It seems pretty stable. Now I'm going to turn off the GPS real quick to see if how much it drifts. Let's do that. Oh, and there it goes, drifting away. Okay. There it goes. Okay, so you see that. Now I'm going to put the GPS back on. And now it locked. Do you see it? It locked right in. So, that's cool. I don't know if this is follow me or... I'll see if that does anything. Okay, well, it's working. Oh, that's the tracking. Let's see if I move backwards. Okay, so that's just tracking. That's not, you know, it's just following my little movements there. Is it following me or the transmitter? Okay, I guess it's working somewhat. It's not the best follow me I ever seen. Okay, I canceled that. Oh, I guess it didn't want to cancel it. Okay. There, I canceled it. Yeah, that's not the best follow me I ever seen. It's kind of jerky and I don't know. I wasn't particularly liking it too much. But like I said, this is the first flight I have with this thing, so you know, I got to fart around with it some. This is out of the box farting around. I actually don't know anything about this thing. I'm going to try this little mini Waypoint here to see if it'll do it. It's a little baby. It's a baby Waypoint. Okay. I had to stop. That sucker was going right into the fence. God, these they're just not that accurate. Okay, I think that sucker was heading right, just like the Bugs 5 was doing. I think that was heading right in there, man. That was heading right into that fence. Okay, let's try another one. I don't think I could get a baby Waypoint even more babyier than that one. Okay, so it sees me. How about if I do an out and back? These Waypoints leave a lot to be desired, boys. Telling you. So far. Okay, maybe it'll get better, but all right, I had enough of this thing for today. It did fly nice, so I'm not gonna gripe about the flight. Okay, it flew nice. Didn't give me any problems or any crap like that. So I'm gonna stop the video real quick. And then hit the land button. Did the same thing as it did in the house. Just land already, god dang it. What's farting around? Just land that sucker. Yeah, I think it's got possibilities. We can work with it. You know, that's the first time I flew it, so it'll be okay. I just got to bring it out a little bit more, get more time with it. But it does seem to fly nice. Just got to work out these quirks. The follow me, I don't think is really that hot. The Waypoints, they probably will be better once I figure out the map. Yeah, these toy quadcopters, these maps just don't seem to be that accurate. So I'll have to take it up a little higher maybe, and we'll work it out. All right, guys, have a nice day.